Okay, this video tutorial is for step-by-step 8.2 and step-by-step 8.3. We're going to go ahead and start with step-by-step 8.2, which is asking you to pretty much create a template. So that's what we will be doing. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and select File, New. From here, the task pane will open up. What you want to do from the templates list is select the On My Computer. Here we go. Now, once you do that, the templates window will open up. What you want to do is make sure that the general tab is selected, as it is here, and you are going to select the blank document option. Now, before you go any further, make sure that you come down here to this window, and on this part of the window that you select the template radio button. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So once you have that all selected, you have the general blank document template selected. Click OK. Now, what you'll see up here is on the title bar, once we did that, you'll see template 1 as the title. We will be changing that in a bit. Now, the rest of the step-by-steps, step 4 is asking you to type in the figure 8-3 that you see there. Now, I already have that selected, so I'm going to actually just paste it on here. So more or less it will look like this. Eventually it's going to ask you to also change the margins. So I just want to make sure that I do have them selected at 1 inch all the way around for the left and the right. So I have that. I'll press OK. Next, once you have that all selected and you have your cursor down here below this heading, what you want to do now is click on File, Save As, and make sure that you save this file in the templates folder of Microsoft Word. That'll come into play in step-by-step 8.3 when we will be opening it up once again. Now, what you want to do here is pretty much just right here. What you want to do is save that as keys template, and go ahead and do that followed by your initials, just to keep everything consistent. So again, make sure that it's saved in the templates folder, and once you have your file name selected and you have changed it to keys template, just double check that the save as type is document template as you see here. Then go ahead and click on save, and you'll notice the title are actually changed up here. Alright, so that's pretty much all the steps that you will need for step-by-step 8.2. We're going to go ahead and now move on to step-by-step 8.3. So if you look on page 157 of your textbook, you'll notice that it will say to do a File, New, Document. From here, you're going to click on the templates from the On My Computer. And on the General tab, you'll notice, if you look through all these icons here, you'll notice a new one that we just created, and I see mine here called Keys Template. So I will go ahead and select that. Now make sure that it is now what we're doing on step-by-step 8.3 will be a document. So make sure you select under the Create New option here that we're going to create a new document with the Keys Template selected and the document selected. Click OK. And you'll notice that the template we created earlier in step-by-step 8.2 is now a template that we could use for step-by-step 8.3. From here, you could pretty much continue the step-by-step 8.3, and make sure you save it as keys letter followed by your initials.